Sewing and design book is very good for the reference for the sewing lovers. In theory part there are a lot for the sewing, history, colors, about the garment detail, sewing machine, and basic hand stitches, seams, about the fabric, how to care the fabric, and the woman's size chart, men's size chart, and children's size chart. So many things are there for the theory part. You can learn and stitch so many household items, accessories, and women garments. Those are very good with drafting, cutting, and stitching. These are including for the woman garment part and the men's wear and the children's wear. So many things are there. Teacher and students can follow the chapter number and the contents as per the page number and the days, like that you can follow to learn or teach. Picture about the drafting, and for the woman garment you can do this way and follow the detail. Is also there. Type of kurtis you can learn. This is simple kurti, this is a patchwork kurti, overlap, straight pajama, salwar is also there. Different type of blouses you can stitch with lining or without lining. For the children can learn so many different type of baby dresses. Shirt and shorts, frock, different type of frock you can adopt, umbrella cut. So there that you can follow. Only one copy is available, so the first buyer will get this book in 400 rupees.